city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside!
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave warrior!
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy, just with a single prompt.
Reporting live from Alexander the Great's war. I just saw a soldier try to conquer a sandwich.
I said, take the hill! Oh no, I told them to bake a grill!
Do you believe in Darwin's theory?
Only if it explains my ex-driving.
Why did you stop invading Earth?
It's not worth it. This planet is full of brain rot.
Here we go.
Google Veo 3 just broke the internet.
Not only does it generate ultra-realistic videos, but it can also add voice and lip sync to your AI creations.
It looks like Google might have just ended the global AI video generator race.
Unfortunately, the Google Flow platform isn't accessible outside the US.
But before we dive in, check out some cool videos I created using this free Veo 3, and you might find them helpful for inspiration.
Why are you crying? She's just a prompt.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
If a homeless child goes to school and gets homework, is it still called homework for them?
Bombardiro crocodillo.
Trallalero tralala.
Zimpanzini bananini.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Tung tung sahur.
All right, guys, just jumped without a parachute. Yeah!
Do you think we're real?
No, we're just a prompt.
Whoever wrote this prompt is an idiot! I'm somebody's grandma, not Mission Impossible! So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started.
Part 1. VPN. Yes, you'll need a VPN to access Google Veo 3 if you're outside the US. You can use any VPN you like, but just a heads up, I personally don't trust most VPN providers, especially the free ones. If you're using a free VPN, don't use your main Gmail or any account linked to payments. Instead, use a backup Gmail account just to be safe. Using a trusted paid VPN is generally a safer option. For example, Opera offers a premium VPN with a 7-day free trial just by using the Opera browser. Now this video is just for demonstration, so I'll be using a free VPN and a backup Gmail account. Do this at your own risk. And here's how you can get a free VPN on Google Chrome. Click the Options button to open the Chrome menu. Go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Next, open the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Free VPN. Pick one with good reviews and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, click the extension icon in the top right toolbar. Select the VPN, choose a country, and click Turn On. Part 2. Google Veo 3. After logging into your Gmail account, go to the Veo page on Google DeepMind. You can find the link in this video's description. Click Try in Gemini to continue. From the Gemini main page, click the Upgrade button. You'll be offered a 1-month free trial to access all premium features, including Google Veo 3. You can cancel anytime. Once the upgrade is done, you'll see that the video button is now powered by Veo 3. Now, let's give it a try. Part 3. Prompting Guide. To generate a video with Veo 3, simply click the video button and type your prompt. You can also add voice to your video by explaining it in your prompt. For example, in this video, I want to generate a scene where a reporter is reporting live from a battlefield, so let's describe the scene in detail. Then, tell Veo 3 what the character in the video should say. Watch this prompt example. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button to start creating your Veo 3 video. And here is the result from that prompt.
Reporting live, dodging spears, flaming arrows, and one very angry guy in a toga yelling about taxes.
Google Veo 3 is a smart AI that can understand your prompt, even if it's not perfect. All you need is creativity to make cool videos. Let AI help you with the prompting. To create better prompts, use Google Gemini or ChatGPT to help. Just describe your idea and ask it to generate a video prompt based on your concept. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it and use it to generate a Veo 3 video. And that's it. You don't need to be a prompt guru to generate AI videos. Cool ideas and AI chatbots are all you need. Thank you for watching this Google Veo 3 tutorial video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And check out my channel for more AI-related videos. See you there.